Hello, this is Pavel. Distributed systems are characterized by failures, partial failures, and these failures can occur in different parts of your distributed systems. It is either on node level or network level. But any distributed system has to be able to detect those failures so you can respond to these failures and recover from them as soon as possible. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can detect failures in your DDS systems and how to recover from it. So let's get started. The hands-on part. So there are 22 QoSs that DDS supports, and there are 2 QoSs that are able to detect failures in your system. So, and one of them is Liveliness, and one of them is Deadline. Let's see how you can use those QoSs to detect failures. So here I have a ShapesDemo application from RTI, and you can set the liveliness parameter here in liveliness box. And what the liveliness means? It means for publisher that this is the maximum interval, for example 5 seconds, in which the publisher will send packets to in order to no other application that this publisher is alive. All right. So I create this publisher and he sends this topic, but the liveliness packets are not the data that describe this topic. Its liveliness is sent through metadata stream. All right. Okay. So now I will create a subscriber, and I set a liveliness which has to be greater or equal to the liveliness I set in publisher. So let's say 5 seconds as well. All right. So I've got subscriber, and look at this. When I suspend this subscriber, this publisher, and all right, so I suspend the publisher. That's not the publisher, this is a subscriber, and this is the publisher. And look at this. After 5 seconds, he's suspended. After 5 seconds, we can see that this subscriber detects that there is a problem with publisher. Great! And I can respond to that somehow. So when I resume the publisher, in that moment I get the packet because the data itself has the ability to give me a hint that I'm alive again. So this is liveliness, which we can detect. And now I will show you the deadline parameter. What the deadline parameter states? It states the maximum interval in which I am saying that I will send the data. So delete all, square. I will publish square, and I set the deadline for 2 seconds. And I say that I will publish topic every 2 seconds at least. All right. And as a subscriber, I want to receive this topic at least in interval 2 seconds or more. All right. So when I suspend this publisher, we will see what happened. So I suspend it, and you will see that this subscriber detects every 3 seconds, that this publisher does not send any data. So this is the deadline parameter that I can utilize to detect failures. And this is more for performance issues in your system. All right. And how can I utilize these parameters in my system? I can do a failover in DDS systems. And how can I do that? It's the third parameter that I can use, and it's ownership QoS parameter. So let's say I've got resume, delete all, and delete all. I can subscribe, and I say with ownership parameter that I want to receive data from each topic only from one publisher, and from that publisher that has the greatest strength of this parameter. Okay, so I am a subscriber, and I need to specify list duration or deadline parameter as well, because this ownership parameter is connected with failures in list duration or violation of list duration or deadline. So I specify list duration as well. So, and now when I publish square, I put red. So I need to specify list duration as well as strength. So this subscriber received data from this publisher that has strength 10. And then I create a new publisher with same list duration but with stronger ownership parameter. And look what happened. Yeah, because I use different topic. So this is different topic, so this subscriber receives both of them. So I need to delete this one and create publisher with a red topic. And ownership 20. All right, so now I overtake sending the data to this subscriber. So this subscriber choose to receive data from this publisher because it has greater ownership parameter. And now when I suspend this one, suspend, you see, now the subscriber, after 5 seconds, after he detects that this publisher is out of system, automatically start to receive data from this publisher. All right, so that was the 2 parameters for detection failures, detect failures in your system, and how to utilize these parameters to use failover strategy in your DDS system. Thank you. And one more thing. There are a lot of ways how to detect failures in your system. In microservice world, it is used logging, matrix, tracing, in order to obtain observability in your system. And it's very, very important to have such capability in your system when you are using microservices. And if you are interested in DDS, you can take a look on my blog, where I have a lot of more videos about DDS. Bye.